Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from probability. The question is, two integers are chosen at random and multiplied. Find the probability that the product is an even integer. First of all, we must know what is the product of two evens, two odds and all. So, let us see. Let two integers are even. Example, sum 2 into 4, which is equals to 8. This is even. Let us take one more. 20 into 5. 100 is also even. Right? So let two integers are even and the product is given by, and the product is product of two even numbers is even. Okay. Next let two integers be odd. First see the example. 3 into 5 is equals to 15, which is odd number. In the same way, 13 into 5, 13 5 65, which is also odd again. So what we can say, the product of two odd numbers is odd. So here we are having two favorable events. This is one. If you take case 1, case 2, right? Case 1, case 2. Next coming to case 3, what you will get? If let two integers, in two integers, one is odd and one is even, then see example first. 4 is even, 15 is odd. So what you will get? 15 fours 60, which is even. Next, 14 into 3, 42, which is even. So then the product what man? The product is even. Okay. So here, therefore, number of favorable events is equals to 2. That is case 1 and case 2 are the favorable events. Total number of events. That is nothing but what we say, sample space. So total number of events, how many? 3. Okay. Therefore probability that the product is an even integer is given by number of favorable events by total number of events, which is equals to 2 by 3. Understood? Okay. If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.